Good evening and welcome to this crash course class on how to use Discord for your crypto interactions. So quickly what you need to do is to get the Discord app downloaded. So you search for Discord, you open, then you install, then you open, right? Now, by the time you are done downloading Discord, what you need to understand is that in Discord we have what we call servers and then we have what we call channels. Everything you are seeing by your left, okay, where's my brush? By your left, everything here is actually called server. As you can see from here, is actually called server. Then everything on this side is actually called channels. So inside servers, there are channels. All right. Now, again, Discord allows you to have a maximum of 100 servers that you can join. Maximum. Meaning that by the time you exhaust the 100, you have to leave some of the servers. Now, before we get into that, you need to do some settings on your Discord. One of such settings is that you need to specify a username. Very, very important because when you're doing crypto interactions, some interactions will require that you submit your Discord username. This is my own. So you need to set your own. So you need to set your own. Then also you need to do other settings like making sure that nobody can message you, like this direct messaging. Nobody can message you in Discord. Anybody you did not message first cannot message you. Very, very important because this is how you get scammed. um when you are into crypto, this is how you get scammed. People can just message you and then that's all, right? They start maybe whining you, and then you end up losing money. So you make sure from the onset that nobody can message you. Now, when you are done with that, we now come back to the issue of servers and channels. So I'm going to get out of his server right now. This is server peaks, right? I'm going to get out of it, then I'm going to get back into it. So how do I get out of it? I use this where's my brush? I'll click on the channel, this 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 place, right? Click on it. By the time I'm done clicking on it, it opens up and then I scroll down to leave server, right? I'm going to leave it. Now I joined this server from my ex on my Twitter. Okay, so I'm going to join back. Okay, so I'll click on Discord, this link to Pix Discord, right? It will now open up this invite. So what you need to do is to accept invite. When you accept invite, you will notice that you get into the server immediately. After you get into the server, always anytime you get into any server, always try and locate this verify. Um, this verify, always try and locate it. The reason is because when you enter a server, you need to verify yourself. You need to become a member, right? Now, you need to also note that inside of this server, the first channel you are being greeted with in this particular server is verify. Other Discord servers may have other things there. Okay. Now remember we said in your server you have channels. That is why you also have this guy, right? Now notice that there is nothing here apart from just this verify um channel. So what you need to do is you click on the verify channel, right? You get into it. Then it's that either you say that you complete reading, that you have done reading, or you go directly and say verify. Some servers will not allow you to verify except if you click on this finish reading. All right, so just take note of that. Then you click on verify. The bot does what it does. It tells you that make sure you read the rules, turn off direct messaging, the direct messaging I just talked about, and then you say continue. By the time you say continue, continue again, depending on the server, then it will give you either captcha or whatever, a means to verify yourself. So I'm going to verify now by pressing on 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 1, right? By the time I'm done, you see that you have been verified. I have been verified. Now, if I go back outside of the channel, you now notice that other channels are going to appear. So I go back, you see that now I have several other channels, right? Now, remember I'm trying to show you how to use Discord for your crypto interactions. So if you want to see the latest announcement they have or they've done, this is where you locate it under announcement. Let me use the other guy under announcement. Then you see short updates, right? Then if you are looking for the official links, this is where to look. If you are looking for the rules of their Discord server, this is where to look. Giveaway, giveaway. If you're looking for tweets, anything you're looking for, you find it in one of the channels. So I'm going to leave this particular server and look for every. Now I'm going for every server because we're expecting airdrop from every. Alright, so with time you recognize the server symbols. Okay, this is every. Now this is every. So I am looking to know whether they have announced whether their airdrop is live, the claiming is live. So I'll click on the announcement. Now I'll now scroll down to the last message and now read. So they said that their their airdrop is going to be on base network, right? And then if you scroll down again, they give you reasons why they are moving to base network. Base is actually one of their Base is the owner of Coinbase, right? I think is it Coinbase? Yeah, Coinbase. Okay, so they are moving to Base because Base is ideal for builders, and Base is one of their big investors, their venture capitalists, their VCs, right? So you read and get updated. So you don't even need to ask your friend for updates or wait for one group to give you updates. If you are on Discord, on the Discord server or channel, yeah, on the Discord server of the project you are interacting with, right? Now, another thing you could do anytime you're interacting or in Discord is you can be reacting to their post. For instance, see, I'm a Nigerian, so I clicked. So now I know that 290 something Nigerians have actually interacted with this particular post. The same thing here. Um, the same thing here. You notice that 356 people that are Nigerians have interacted. So I'm going to also interact just so that me and every other Nigerian viewing this server will know that we gather day for here, that kind of stuff, right? So go back to Discord server. You explore. If you have an issue with anything, okay, like I used to have an issue with cookie. Now, if you have an issue with any of the Discord server, if you see all of these messages, these numbers are telling me the number of messages in the server. I used to have a problem with cookie. So if you have a problem, what you need to do is to open a ticket. Okay, you just go under support. Okay, maybe you're interacting with a crypto project and the thing is misbehaving, you can report it in support ticket. So you just click on the server, on the what's it called, on the channel, then you say open ticket. Then you now have to go back. um you go back, you see they said they've created a ticket for a trip guy, so I'll move backwards and then I'll locate the ticket here. I'll locate the ticket here. I'll use this, locate the ticket here. So this is how to use this code, right? You locate, you just go for what you're looking for. All right, so if you are into another crypto project, say for instance Mojo, this is Mojo is supposed to drop an airdrop from tomorrow. So you go under announcements, you just scroll down to the last, right? Last, and then you read, see, say Mojo missions have officially concluded and wallet submission page is live now. You must submit your address to be eligible to claim your reward. Then as a Nigerian, of course, I'll react. Then I can maybe react to this, you see, or this or this. So this is how to use this code. So make sure you set your username, very important. Make sure also that you set the ability to get direct messaging or messages from people off you turn it off.